Materials needed: pre-washed woven cotton fabric, 1/4 inch ribbon, scissors, sewing machine, pins, both straight and safety. Cut 2 9-inch by 8-inch pieces. Put right sides together. The right side is the printed side. Sew the 2 pieces, right sides together, with about a 1/4 inch seam allowance on the outside. Leave a 2-inch opening someplace along this. That'll allow you to turn it inside out. That's one of the next steps. Also, clip the corners. That helps when you turn it out. Next, turn it inside out. It should look like a bag, with a 2-inch opening at the top. Next, pin the 2-inch opening together and top stitch on all 4 sides. Cut 2 39-inch ribbons. You could also, if you don't have ribbons, you could use new shoelaces, you could use fabric ties. Ribbons just happen to glide more easily when you're trying to feed them through the casings, or the tubes, as I'll call them later on. Next, you fold and pin the tube for ribbons on each side. And then you'll stitch those very close to the edge. You'll want to make sure that these tubes are wide enough that you can fit your safety pin and the ribbon through them. Pull the ribbon through the tubes. Next, pin the center of the ribbon in each tube. When you pin it, that makes it so you can gather it more easily. To gather, you pinch the ribbon and you push the cotton woven fabric down toward the pin. You'll want to make it gathered enough that it's about 3 inches on each side. Once you have it gathered, pin in place. Reinforce the 4 corners with multiple backstitches. Backstitches means that you go forward and backwards multiple times with the sewing machine. Here are the 4 places that you'll do the backstitches. Take the pins out and you're all done.